Maptek Extend is a new license for customers using the workflow editor and Python scripting functionality. Acquire your license, get help and manage preferences through the icon on the top menu bar. This new license, authorised through your Maptek account, provides a foundation for customers to access a more robust and comprehensive application extension toolkit. Just log into your Maptek account to launch the application extensions. If you haven't yet created a Maptek account, simply follow the steps to set yours up. Once you're logged in, you can automatically check out the license by opening the workflow editor from the workbench, or by running a workflow or a Python script from the Explorer. If you're not logged in, you'll simply be prompted to do so. For more information, contact your local Maptek office.